All right, part 2 of factoring out the greatest common factor. So, we need to pull out a common term between 30u to the 7th power, x to the 5th power, minus 24u x squared, y to the 6th power. So, let's look at the numbers first. What could I pull out of 30 and 24? What is a common number that I could pull out? Well, I could pull out 6. So I could pull out a 6. Now let's look at the u's. How many u's? I've got 7 of them here. I've got 1 of them here. That means I can pull out just a max of 1. Now let's look at our x's. I've got 5 here and I've got 2 here. So I can only pull out 2. And do I have any y's over here? No, so I can't take out any y's. So now I can fill in the middle part. 30 divided by 6 is going to give me 5. How many u's did I take out? Just 1, so this would be u to the 6th now. How many x's? 2, so this would be x cubed, minus 24 divided by 6 is going to give me 4. I took out the u, I took out the x squared, all I have left is y to the 6th. That's it. Let's look at the next one. Again, we'll look at the numbers first. What is the GCF of 24 and 18? Well, that turns out to be 6 again. So 6. Can I take out some u's? I can. I can take out u squared. Any v's? Yes, v squared. I can't take out any w's because I don't have any w's over here. So this turns into, this is going to be 4w cubed plus, this would be 3. 18 divided by 6 is 3. How many u's am I taking out? I'm taking out 2 u's, so this would be u to the 5th. How many v's am I taking out? I'm taking out 2 as well, so this would be v to the 7th. And then if you want to check your work, feel free. So 6u squared, v squared. I should have checked my work on the last one, but we didn't. This is w plus 3u v to the 7th. So when we take this and we distribute here, and we distribute here, so this is checking work. What we end up getting, 6 times 4 is 24. And then all I just have left is all these little variables. Doesn't matter which order you write them in. Plus 6 times 3 is 18. And then u squared times u to the 5th is u 7th. Add the powers. V squared, v to the 7th, v to the 9. And that's the same thing we got up top. So we know that we did it right. All right, so let's take a look into why we've been doing this. So we're gonna run into cases where we have to factor with a not just being 1. So what you want to do first, always check if you can take out a greatest common factor. So we've got 3x squared plus 15x plus 18. Now, I can't take out an x because not all of the terms have an x. But what I can take out a 3 because each of these terms is divisible by 3. So if I take out a 3, what am I left with? Well, 3 divided by 3 is 1, so I just have x squared, plus 15 divided by 3 gives me 5x, and 18 divided by 3 would give me 6. So this is what we're left with, 3x squared plus 5x plus 6. But this is great because we know from the last episode how to factor this. We can use our x method. This is going to be our b value. So it wants to add to the b value, and this is going to be our c value. So we get 6 up top. We multiply, and we get 5 on the bottom. We want to add to get to 5. So what are numbers that multiply to get 6? Well, we've got 1 times 6, 2 times 3, up, and there you go. If you add 2 and 3 together, you're going to get 5. So I'll put 2 here and 3 here. So now they multiply to get 6, but add to get 5. So what you end up getting is x plus 2 and x plus 3. Don't forget your 3 over here. So this would be 3 x plus 2, x plus 3. And if you want to check your answer by the FOIL method, let's rewrite our problem. So 3x plus 2, x plus 3. Multiplication you can do in any order. So if you want to do 3 times this stuff first, you can. You could do 3 times this stuff first, or you could do x plus 2 times x plus 3. It doesn't matter. I will do it this way just to show something different. So 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 2 is 6. And then I still have x plus 3. So now 3 x squared plus 9x plus 6x plus 18. And when you combine like terms, you get 3x squared plus 15x plus 18, which is what we started with. All right, so we're gonna be doing more of factoring in the next video. I'll see you in a sec.